Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir. Police style.
As you know, the Royal Kitties were on their way to Adventure Bay.
Where? What do you mean, Ryder?
They're missing.
We're going to need everyone to solve this case.
Chase, you're the police pup, so I need you to lead this operation.
Copy that. Chase is on this ultimate rescue case.
Now I'd like you to give a warm welcome to the newest members of our Kitten Catastrophe crew. Why aren't we going faster? Oh, come on, kiddies. This isn't nap time. You two, Royals. Now shovel.
Pull this train over, Mayor Humdinger.
Fine, I'll do it myself.
Matt Humdinger won't stop.
I've got an idea. Rocky, Sky, I need you to get to the bottom of the hill as fast as you can. Then, Sky, drop the spike strip from your copter. Rocky, line it across the road. Let's do this!
Here comes the train!
Now, where are our visitors? Elizabeth, Henry! Welcome to our humble town. And thanks again, Paw Patrol.
You're welcome. Whenever you have a problem.
Just yelp for help.
Sea Patroller, here we go! Now, to sail this super ship away, as soon as I can find the start button. Make sure that Robo-Rover stays locked below.
That's stowed away. It's stowed away.
Now, which of these buttons? Shiver me timbers! We're underway!
Any luck finding the Sea Patroller?
Not yet, Ryder. And now I've lost Marshall.
Oh no! Let me try and reach him. Ryder calling Marshall. Where are you? Are you there? No answer. Maybe he can't hear his pup tag.
Oh, this pup tag's perfect for my new treasure chest. Yo ho ho!
Robo-Dog? Yes! Here's the plan. You hide behind the barrel, then I'll go and get Sid away from the bridge. That's when you sneak up there and take the controls.
Spotted Pup, what are you doing?
Water cannon!
Water!
Having a little trouble turning off my cannon.
Oh, then I'll do it.
It's a Sea Patroller. Now to get back on it. Hold on, it's full speed ahead.
Turn those cannons off! Well, blow me down!
Sid, Swashbuckle, we're taking back our ship.
Ryder, am I happy to see you?
Trouble on Zig Zag Trail, Pups. Moona Turker's run away with Chickaletta, and their Goodway's hanging from a tree limb. We need to get the mare down. So for this mission, I'll need Sky.
This puppy's got to fly!
I'm also gonna need Chase.
Chase is on the case.
Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Sorry, Ryder. Nothing yet. Wait!
Oh, it's Sky! Smile!
I found her! But we better hurry.
Okay, Chase, time for your net.
Oh, nice view.
Now let's go and get Luna Turker and Chickaletta. Sky?
I'm heading up the trail now. Ryder, they're on a rickety rope bridge and it doesn't look very safe.
I have an idea. Come in, Tracker.
Hola, Ryder. I'm all ears. Todos oídos.
Ready to fly, Tracker?
I'll catch you. Got you.
Oh, Chickaletta, you're safe. Thanks, Tracker.
Hi, Mulateka. Look what I have.
Ryder, you did it.
Whenever you have a problem there, just for help.
Ready or not, here I come. Boo! I see you. Nobody here. You pups are pretty good hiders.
Sorry, Garby, little lammies. You'll get dinner in a sec. Time to fill up the bucket again. Uh-oh, I just popped the top off my silo. Now my corn's easy picking for those hungry birds. Go on now, get out of it. Those birds call their bird friends, so I better call PAW Patrol. No, I've lost another cob. PAW Patrol, you're just in time to chase away that Paw Patrol. Now I can patch that silo roof before we put it back on.
Chase, use your megaphone to give a shout out to those birds.
Megaphone! Shoo, bird! Shoo! Get away from the silo! That means you too, Seagull!
Great job, Chase. Keep it up.
Thanks, Ryder.
Good timing, Paw Patrol. I've got the roof all fixed and ready to put back on.
Okay, Sky, elevate that round roof back to where it belongs.
Next stop, silo top. One silo roof coming up.
Oh, super
Way
job,
to go!
Sky! Thanks, Paw Patrol. Now I can finish storing the rest of my corn in the silo.
Whenever your silo pops its top off, just yelp for help.
Oh, who wants corn for dinner tonight? I've got plenty.
Everybody cheer now for the Kitty Rescue Crew. Whenever you're in trouble, just hiss for an assist.
That kitty crew.
Well, Adventure Bay can always use more help.
Not to worry, Chase. The Paw Patrol will always be first in the town's heart.
Ha! They won't be after my kitties keep showing them up.
Thanks, Ryder. Somehow food scraps keep falling on my patio.
Ryder, there's a kitten on the roof throwing food scraps.
It couldn't possibly be a kitten. Whoa!
I knew it! Mayor Humdinger, you set up all those fake rescues, didn't you?
Kittens, let's go. Ta-ta! Choo-choo! Oh, I can't see! Oh, pesky seagulls!
Mayor Humdinger, are you okay?
Help me, kitties! I'm hissing for an assist!
I don't think they're available now. Sky, we need your rescue harness.
I'm on it.
Thank you, Paw Patrol, for saving me and my kitty crew.
You're welcome, Mayor Humdinger. Whenever you're in trouble, just hiss for an assist. And if that doesn't work, just yelp for help.
Ryder, look! Mira! Those big footprints, they look like elephant feet. I hear them! They're headed that way.
The rumbling's really loud here.
Oh, a baby elephant!
Oh, that's Snort! But how can such a little elephant make such a big sound?
I think I know why. Something is stuck on Snort's back leg. No, Randy! Get away from there! Come back, Snort! We're just trying to help you!
Oh no! Ryder! Snort is heading for the river!
Uh-oh!
That river's flowing fast!
Tracker, can you jump onto the raft and use your cables to stop it?
What's a whistle? Of course!
I'm on it! Coming in!
Now let's bring Snort back to shore.
Great job, Tracker! It's okay, Snort. You're safe now. We'll get that old tire off your foot. Easy. Now! Hi, Captain Turbot. How's your visit going with your Grandma Tilly?
Not good, Ryder. She's been taken out to sea by a devious dolphin.
Wow, she's a long way out to sea. But don't worry. No dolphin is too fast, no pup is too small.
Hi-ho, Dolphin! You're not going to bring me back to the flounder, are you?
Don't worry, Grandma Tilly. We're here to rescue you.
You? Well, aren't you all so nice?
Chase! Zuma! Launch! Chase!
Now where is that dolphin?
Hi, Pups!
There he is, Chase. Okay, Mr. Dolphin, let's turn back.
Grandma's having trouble holding on. Chase, it's squid jerky time.
Aye, aye. Ruff! Launcher! Jerky ahoy!
Great aim, Chase. Okay, Zuma, follow along the side in case Granny slips.
On it!
First dolphin riding, now sub-surfing.
Thanks for rushing over, Pups. Meg Goodway and the twins are late getting back from snowshoeing. Sky, I need you to use your copter and look for the Goodways. Everest, I need you to use your snowcat to search the mountain, since you know it so well.
Ice or snow, I'm ready to go!
Oh, excellent reminder, Chickaletta. We should signal for help. 3 whistle blasts means help.
Hear that? That's a whistle signal for help.
Maybe it's the Goodways. Sky, see anything from up there?
I found them! Ryder, they're right below me!
Oh, it's the PAW Patrol! We rescue Julia and Julius. We rescue Chickaletta.
We'll get you, Auntie Ned! Whoa!
We're on our way. We can't let them fall off the edge of the waterfall. Everest, shoot your grapple around this tree. Then on your snowboard, run it over to the other tree.
Got it, Ryder. Snowboard! Grapple!
Everybody, hold hands!
Oh! Woohoo! That was...
Amazing!
Oh, well, at least you enjoyed yourselves. Now, how do I get up with these... Oh!
Huh? Whoa-ho-ho! Everyone okay? What's that noise? The pond! It's disappearing! Time to call the PAW Patrol!
What's that sound?
There! The water must have gone down that pipe spout. We'll need something small enough to go in and get a closer look. Spy Chase, I need you in your drone.
Drone!
Okay, now let's see where it goes.
Look! This pipe turns into a tunnel. How far is this drone going to go? That far.
It looks like the drone hit something blocking the tunnel.
Do you think that's what's stopping the water too?
Maybe, but we'll have to see it for ourselves. Zuma, let's take a ride through the tunnel.
Great!
If we take off a few planks, the water will start to flow again.
And then the duck pond will fill back up. Good idea, Ryder.
Easy, Zuma. We don't want all the water to gush out at once. Now let's get out of here before this tunnel fills up. Yeah!
Don't worry, little duckies. Ryder will fill your pond back up. Whoa!
Thinking a broken big toe was my best idea ever. Just call me Mayor Hum Genius. Oh, what button should I press?
Maynard! Miss Margie's Ryder.
Don't worry, Miss Marjorie. We'll save Maynard. Chase, get ahead on the trail and stop the hum mover with your net.
Net!
Oh no! Please don't spray!
The net was a no-go. The mare and the skunk are heading for the river.
Pups, meet us in the river. We've got some animals to rescue. Set up a barricade in front of the riverbank.
Skunk! Take the skunk!
Maynard, come on over.
What's this button do?
Nice catch.
Great save, Zuma. Nice driving, Maynard.
At last! Back on solid ground! Oh, happy dance! Happy dance!
Well, that was a speedy recovery.
Ouch!
Ryder, Pups, thank you so much for rescuing Maynard.
And for saving Mayor Humdinger.
Thank you, PAW Patrol.
You're welcome. Whenever you have a hum mover problem, just yell for help.
Check out full episodes of PAW Patrol on Nickelodeon.